Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to whistle. How to whistle. Whistling is an extremely important skill that you should all learn how to do. It took me around 45 years to learn it myself, but you should be able to do it in half that time. I'm quite a slow learner, so that's why it took me a bit of time, but I expect it will take you much less. So just give it a go. I will now answer some frequently asked questions about whistling. Is whistling safe to do? It is safe to do in most environments, but try to avoid whistling if you're underwater. What should I do if I cannot whistle the first time I try to do it? You'll need to watch this tutorial video on loop, I'm afraid, until you can. There's just no other way of doing it otherwise. Do I need to whistle by myself or with other people? You can do either. Is whistling painful? Whistling can in fact cause severe irritation in the eardrums of other people that happen to be around you, so just be really careful about who you whistle to and just use your whistling abilities with extreme responsibility. That's quite important. Why are you wasting everyone's time with these pointless videos? Oh, I'm afraid we don't actually have time to answer any more questions, unfortunately. We've got too much to do in this video, so we're going to have to move swiftly on to how to do whistling. I'm going to show you how to do whistling now. Let's move on to that, shall we? So in order to whistle, we will simply just be using our lips and mouth area. So I think we can just zoom in on that area. Could we zoom in, please, on that area? No, that's too much. You've zoomed in too much. It looks silly now. Can you zoom back out, please? You have to zoom out. This is silly. This is a serious tutorial video, and you need to zoom out. Can you zoom out, please? You're making a mockery of the video. That's not a good thing to do. You're fired after this is done, camera person. I'm so sorry about that. So what you're going to want to do is to get your fingers and just place them on your lips like this, and this should help to mould your lips into that whistling position. So we'll just do that like this. So you just bend your lips at will like that, and then once you've got a good position, then you just start blowing like that. And then eventually, the more that you blow like that, the more the whistling sound will arrive, I think. So we'll just try that. Oh, that was a close one. Did you hear that? That was very close. So just keep practicing that until you get more sounds coming out. And if you're not making the right sound, then you probably haven't put your fingers in the correct place. So just practice moving your fingers around. You can use two hands. You can use two fingers, two sets of fingers if you have those. So just try with different techniques. Maybe something will work then. It's not easy. I didn't say it was easy, but eventually you'll be able to whistle. Like I can whistle, so but I'm just showing you how to do it at the moment. So just keep practicing. Did you hear that? That definitely sounded like a whistle to me. That wasn't a fluke. I'll do it again to prove it. Ready? Well, I can't recreate it at the moment, but it definitely wasn't a fluke. So eventually you'll be able to do it without fluking as well. So that's something for you to look forward to. And that is all you really need in order to be able to whistle yourself. So that really completes the tutorial on how to whistle. I hope now that with this tutorial, you yourself will be able to whistle as well. I'm going to go now and continue to whistle for the rest of the day. So I'll catch you all later, and good luck with your whistling. See you.